We have a show control in every single venue that has a video board here.
Baseball, softball, soccer, tennis, football, Stegman. That's 9 show controls across campus.
It's important to have that continuity between venues so that we can train a student in one place and it translates to another.
It takes some of the pressure off of us in being able to trust those operators at all those venues because there's consistency there.
It's one click of a button and you can hit every single video board, you can hit lighting triggers, you can do so many things with one click of a button. And it's just so user-friendly that we could bring a new student on and we could have them up to speed within a couple of days. And they could be putting on a very, very high-level show just with a few clicks of a button.
You know what's cool about show control is, worst comes to worst, and I've got to build a button on the show control, and I've got to put a graphic on there. I can do it because it makes sense. It's user-friendly. There's a lot of little things that really add up to a huge advantage in my mind.
Being able to connect with other systems, that's such a big thing for us. And the fact that we can talk to the show control from our switcher is such a big deal for us because you want to jump into a prompt really quick, you got to get into it. I would say that's probably show controls. One of their biggest things is that they work so well with other systems because every production site is going to be different. Every site is going to have, different companies that they're working with, different machines, and the fact that we are so flexible in working with them and it drives our board so well, it just makes it so much easier.
And one of the nice things about it from us, from a fan experience side, is we've got it tied into other things. We've got it tied into our stats. We've got it tied into our out-of-town scores. We have it tied into our lighting control. It runs our lighting during a football game. And we're able to do a lot of things that are really, really cool that 10 years ago would have just been like, I can't believe we're doing this. There are things that we couldn't do last year that we can do now. There are layers of transparency that previously weren't available to us. There are real-time graphics where we can build a graphic and then add something to it on the fly, which we've never been able to do before. They're always looking to make it better. It's really nice having a piece of software that evolves and stays current, and B, our folks here with a direct pipeline to the developers to fix things and enhance things as the software rolls out. Front to back, top to bottom, nobody really has their act together the way Daktronics does.